Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to easily convert or separate first name or last name in Microsoft Excel worksheet document. So let's take a look how to do that. Example, here is a Microsoft Excel worksheet and I would like to separate this first name and last name. How you can do it? It's really easy and simple. Just first of all select this column and copy this text and then paste it here, and later on if you want to like example this column you want to like first name here and last name here, then simply choose this and in your keyboard place Ctrl F, and then here you will find a find and replace with appear. Here just go on replace and type here space and then type this star and then click on replace all, and it is going to be automatically delete the last name and it is appear here all first name. Now choose this second column, same way click Ctrl F and you can appear here, go on replace, and here you have to click like star and then space and then click on replace all. So you see this first name and last name really very fastly separated without using any formula. So this is how you can easily convert or separate first name and last name. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.